Welcome to WordPress. How can we toggle products view between grid view and list view in WordPress WooCommerce? This is our shop page. By default, WooCommerce shop offers grid view as it is displayed here. Depending on WordPress theme, unless it is a premium WordPress theme, most themes come with grid view. If your WordPress theme does not provide that option, it is easy to add one. Install a free WordPress plugin called WooCommerce Grid List Toggle. This is the plugin. After you activate this plugin, visit products page or shop page and reload. You should see two icons to toggle products view. This is grid view and this is list view. And it will retain its state. We can navigate away from products page and our selected view will remain same as per our selection. So we can go to contact page or we can navigate to any other page and then come back to shop page and we have this list view as we selected earlier. If list view affects CSS styles, that is because you don't have CSS support for this list view. Every theme is built different. You cannot adjust CSS easily. Inspect. If we inspect this web page and go to wrapper for the products, you can see it's an unordered list and we have got LIs inside it as products. If we toggle products view, it toggles a class for this UL element. Like here is this list class. If I toggle to grid view, we have got this class grid here now. Grid list. We can easily target this class to add additional CSS to adjust elements in the list view properly. This method is a quick way to add a list view to the shop page. We can do it without any plugin as well. All we have to do is to add two icons at the top of shop page. And by using jQuery, clicking at the icons can toggle that class. Now, based on the class, we can adjust CSS to show grid or to not show grid. In case of no grid, ally tags will be blocks and will push next block to the new line. As simple as that. We are not dependent on the plugin to do it, but plugin can do it quickly and easily. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.